It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 14th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Beautiful afternoon out there, sunny sky, temperatures up around 70. We'll see more sun tomorrow, warmer afternoon highs, and then a lot of clouds in here for the weekend and much of next week. And there is still the potential of a pattern change out by the latter half of next week as well, one that could see an increase in precipitation chances and much lower temperatures as well. Yeah, we'll get into that and everything else as we dive on in. First, here's that almanac from yesterday. 70 degrees, the afternoon high, 45 the morning low, averages at 66 and 45. Checking that upper air weather pattern across the nation this afternoon. There's that area of low pressure over northern New Mexico, precipitation out ahead of it. Behind it, a shortwave ridge is coming in here, and so that'll set the stage for warmer temperatures. But a rather significant upper low is going to develop off the west coast, and with southwesterly flow, despite the fact that we'll have ridging around and warmer temperatures, we'll still see a lot of clouds. Here's the watch warning map, some winter weather conditions again over parts of New Mexico, West Texas, Oklahoma, southeast Colorado. To the north of us, air stagnation advisories. Under that, some dense fog at times too for parts of Oregon and Idaho. And the convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather. Still some thunder possible out ahead of that low pressure across parts of New Mexico, West Texas. Here's the precipitation outlook valid through Thursday afternoon of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, likely not much, if anything. But we're starting to see some rain chances coming on in, some color coming into this map just to the west of us. And that's because we will see increasing moisture by later next week as well. At least that's the prevailing thought on those models of ours. And speaking of those, let's see what the future may hold. Here we go. Checking out the models. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. It's the American model. And this is the 12Z run, and it's valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. That low pressure area moving off to the east, shortwave ridge building in behind it. What it all means for us down at the surface for today and tonight. Yeah, a lot of sun for the rest of the day. Mostly clear sky tonight. Temperatures this afternoon up around 70. Lows tonight, mostly upper 30s to mid 40s. So another chilly evening. And then tomorrow, sunny sky, a little bit warmer though. Low to mid 70s for the afternoon high. Now as we go to Saturday, we've got this upper low that's developing well to the west of California. And yeah, no rain for us, but with the flow aloft more southwesterly or westerly, that's going to bring in at least some mid and high level clouds. We'll call it partly cloudy for Saturday, but despite the clouds, it'll be warm. Highs mid to upper 70s, close to record territory. Let's go to Sunday. And again, a lot of clouds around, mostly cloudy sky. Highs, I'd say still in the mid 70s at least. The warmest desert spots could flirt with 80 degrees though, and same deal on Monday. Mostly cloudy, highs mid 70s. Here's Tuesday, and we still have considerable cloudiness around at times and high temperatures somewhere in the low to mid 70s. By Wednesday, this low pressure area continues out here to the west. It's now really starting to deepen, close off, and it's going to get a little closer to us. So as a result, we'll call it mostly cloudy. Temperatures will head down a bit too as our ridge weakens. Highs upper 60s to low 70s. A week from today, this is Thursday the 21st, that low continues to meander eastward. So rain for California, up into western Arizona, southern Nevada. There could be some rain knocking on the door here about that time later on Thursday. So we may have to introduce a chance of showers out here at that point. Friday, the 22nd, could be wet for us. Could see some rain, could see some widespread rain. And some mountain snow. So that's certainly something. And this could actually be a decent rain event given the moisture fields that we're looking at here on the GFS and the European as well. The deterministic models really coming in good here. And we'll show you in the ensembles as well. There's a lot of encouraging signs for a decent to maybe even significant precipitation event here. But again, we're way out here. We're talking about a system that's next Friday, not tomorrow, but a week from Friday. And we're only at Thursday. So there's a lot that can change between now and then. And going out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 23rd, that area of low pressure moves off to the east. There's another one out there to the west of us, and what looks like kind of a broadly unsettled weather pattern. There'd still be clouds around, probably dry in this configuration. We'd kind of be between systems, but still temperatures would be below average if this is correct. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix out through the 28th of the month, and this is off of the GFS ensemble. The mean coming up toward an inch. You got individual members here over 2 inches. And so again, the trends, and we don't like to talk specifics when it's out at 8, 9, 10 days. We like to look at trends. And the trend is definitely wetter out here. So hopefully we can, at least for the last 10 days or so of 2023, we could get some unsettled weather, cooler weather, and some precipitation in here. The European ensemble, by the way, same thing. The ensemble mean up around, if not just over an inch. The control member poking up toward 2 inches. And again, individual members are at 2 and 3 inches of rain here. Not saying that's what's going to happen. This could still just turn out to be nothing. But the vast majority, the overwhelming majority of our ensemble guidance does suggest a turn toward unsettled weather here. Looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, again, we're going to stay above average for a while here, at least through the middle part of next week, and then a cooling trend thereafter, with highs getting down in the 60s. And if it does pan out that a more significant weather system comes in here, temperatures could easily be even cooler than that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow. And should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. If you really like what we do here, you want to support us just like our friend Jim there, he did yesterday. Well, he donated, and we really do appreciate that. You click on that little thanks icon below the video and make your monetary contribution to us. $2, $5, $5,000, whatever you want to give. Of course, whatever you can afford to give. Well, then go on ahead and do that, because that supports our channel, and we really do appreciate that. All right, the executive producer, she's back, although she's asleep right now because, you know, she's still on Philippines time, is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation, the proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona, talking about my Michelle. So check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support, so greatly appreciated. And and Topaz joining us here as well. Yes, can't forget Topaz. She's like, I want to be on the video as well. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, all of your continued support. Please do be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious rest of your Thursday.